In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Keybank's online banking platform with ease. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you feel comfortable with. Simply type Keybank into the search bar and press enter. This will lead you to the search results page, where you'll see the official Keybank website. For your convenience, you can also type the complete URL, which is www.key.com, directly into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage of Keybank, the next step is to locate the Sign On button. Typically, you'll find this button at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Keybank's online banking login page, where you can securely access your account. Now, you need to enter your user ID into the designated field. This is your unique identifier and allows Keybank to recognize you as the account holder. If you're unable to remember your user ID, it's best to refer to any Keybank documentation or emails for assistance, or make use of the recovery options available on the site. Once you've successfully entered your user ID, it's time to move on to your password. Carefully type your password into the password field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as you created it. If by chance you've forgotten your password, you can use the password recovery feature provided by Keybank to reset it. After entering both your user ID and password, look for the Sign On button on the page. Once you click this button, you will be logged into your Keybank online account, granting you access to your account details, funds, and various banking services. If you encounter any issues during the process, it might be helpful to check your internet connection or try accessing the site from a different browser. Additionally, for any personalized issues, contacting Keybank's customer service might be the best option. Logging into your Keybank account online is a straightforward process, but it does require attention to detail, especially regarding your login credentials. With this guide, you should be able to navigate through the login process efficiently. We hope you find this information clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials on managing your online banking securely and effectively. Until next time, happy banking.